Today, I'm going to show you that this right here is not a planet trailing the artificial, or being blocked by the artificial, as most people think is happening in these clips. Most people showing this clip are assuming this artificial sun is being seen from space, and that's why they think they are either covering up a planet, or a planet is simply following the artificial sun. I will explain this in another video, but what you're seeing is the artificial starting up and getting pulled up towards our upper atmosphere. Right behind it, and pay close attention because it's very faint and easy to miss, is another element rising with the artificial. Did you see it? Let's take a closer look. There it is. Let's continue watching a few more clips. Now right here. It looks like sun flares, but it's not. Just pay close attention. Now this is where it starts getting interesting. It looks like a holographic image is being seen go right behind the artificial sun. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see those same patterns forming just like the ones seen on the FAA clips. Right here, you can slightly start to see the patterns. Let's get right into business. I put together a side-by-side with a drawing in one of NASA's Sun Simulator patent, next to a FAA image of what people call Nebru. I don't know about you, but those patterns do look identical to the drawings. Here's a video showing a close-up of the object trailing the artificial. In all the Nebru video claims, not one of them has mentioned another object being seen inside. See that? That right there is the holographic image of the artificial sun inside a lens array housing casing. In this clip, you will see a bright light, a black dot in the middle. Right behind it is the lens array housing, and finally the holographic image of the xenon arc lamp. Just like in this clip, you see exactly the same thing, but in a different angle. Let's start the fun. I will read it word for word, as they describe it in the patents. This light source system for a test chamber starts with multiple light sources arranged in an array outside the chamber. Reflectors direct light from these sources towards a converging reflector, which gathers and focuses the light into the chamber. A divergent reflector adjacent to the array receives and collimates this light, directing it into the chamber. Inside, a close-packed array of curved reflectors creates multiple virtual light sources, and a lens in the chamber wall images these surfaces. Finally, a second converging reflector inside the chamber focuses the light onto the test area, ensuring even and precise illumination for testing purposes. With that being said, what you see here that others claim and show to be a planet moving closer to Earth is not what's happening. You're just seeing the lens array housing, surrounded by light components to help illuminate the artificial sun. Hopefully, this video helped explain that what was being shown as a made-up planet entering our atmosphere is really not what you're seeing. The sun and moon don't rise from space, so it's impossible to see another planet entering our atmosphere when the artificial sun is being risen from Earth. Share this with those who want to know what it really is. I'm against misleading information. We already have a base doing that. We don't need the entire world doing the same thing. Do more research before you go live.